What's up, everybody? This is Martial Arts Philosophy with your host, David, and I'm gonna do a real quick demonstration. I'm gonna do a little Wing Chun demonstration. I'm not no expert. I'm not nobody who's at any of those levels. I just do it for physical fitness and just to learn different things. And what I'm gonna demonstrate right now is the Wing Chun side punch, which I learned from the Master One Wing Chun series. And we're gonna do that right now, okay? Ready? Let's start. So, gonna come here, open, come into a nice horse stance, put your weight center. Make sure the weight is in the center of your body. You're gonna bring your hand up, and you keep it like this. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna shift our weight to the side and punch at the same time. Okay? Ready? Okay, the reason you're doing this is because what you're doing is you're punching, but at the same time you're out of the alignment of danger. So you want to make sure when you punch, you want to make sure you do it with power, okay? Then you can also bring this hand up to block. Now, obviously, if you're in an actual combat situation, you're not gonna fight like this, okay? But what this is entailed for is to get you into using your hips and letting you learn how to shift your weight side to side. For when it comes to the point where you have to throw a punch, you'll be able to shift your weight to generate power. That's a quick little something. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And a fundamental truth, from my point of view, never ever underestimate your opponent. That could be your biggest downfall. Fitness for the Average Joe out.